Well, this is Weaponeer again, and this is my EDCD. EDCD being my everyday carry dog. Yeah, this is Destiny, and she's my Samoyed Husky. She's a purebred Samoyed Husky, I should say. And she's my best buddy. She's my service dog. And everywhere I go, she goes, just like any other everyday carry. So, I thought I'd just go ahead and do a quick introduction. She's always behind the scenes someplace, and she's always everywhere I am. If I'm making a video, she's got to be right there. So this is the first time she's been on video, and at least for YouTube. So, like I said, I'm Weaponeer, and this is Destiny, my EDCD. I was wondering if anybody else had any EDCDs out there. If so, feel free to go ahead and post a video response. And don't forget to go ahead and rate and subscribe and comment on the video. Basically, I think that's it. Are you done? She's done. So am I. I'm Weaponeer, and I'll catch you later.